Welcome to Eden Lawn, a unique riverfront property located just north of Jensen Beach, Florida. Behind me is a main house, along with about 18 small Key West cottages nestled throughout the property. There's a dock directly on the Intra Coastal Waterway. The Bahamas are only 2.5 hours away by boat. You can reach me, Fred Abberley, the listing agent for Eden Lawn, at 772-221-1118. Again, my name is Fred Abberley with Illustrated Properties, 772-221-1118. Thanks for watching.